Well, I'm here at Printables, and I was looking for making curtain hanger thingy for me, and I found this one. So I will just look if I can easily make it directly run for the printer, and that means now for the AD5X. So I go here and I see here easy print, and now it's asking if I want more than one. Okay, only this one I think will be enough. I already select the printer. You can select many printers, and there's also the AD5X. You can add another printer if you want, but I found the AD5X already, so that's easy to use. And then you can set up the settings what you want for it and so on, of course. So let's see, I go to find spool pad G black, and other settings like the supports, no supports needed for this print, and like you can see all these options like you would normally have. Then there's also the possibilities to set up the print profile. As you see, it uses these different sizes. I set up my printer with the 0.25 nozzle, so this is the normal list of settings I can do. I can also change, of course, and which is normal. Now I can have all different sizes. You also see the speed and things like that. The infill, you can change it here. So which one do you want? Many people are always going like, oh, you need to use the gyroid. It's possible. You can also go just a bit slower and it will be working pretty fine. Concentric, not that I wanted that much, but you have a lot of choices. You can look what works better for you. Just remember that if you use gyroid, it's just taking a longer time, and makes a lot of extra movements and noises. So I like this 3D honeycomb sometimes as well. So it's just the same. You can have a look what you want, what feels good, and so on like that. So here the other settings like the roof, so that's the top layers, and it's already saying it's like 6 layers, which did not, so that's correct. The wall thickness, do I need it strong or not? I want it pretty strong, so I want to go higher. So I go like, if that's possible. Of course it will be possible at all the places in the model, so there it will be just solid in many places, and here is also the same. It will probably tell me that as well. So, and then I can go here. You can go to paint and skin as well, of course. Let's do a preview. And here saying that there's too much bridging going on without any supports. So I will have a look. First, what it's making. Okay, ignore for now. So it will be, as you can see here, it will doing some overhangs all the way around. So you probably just have to rotate this one. As you can see, it cannot print this way anyway, so that will be a problem. So here you can see how it was going to print in this time, so not that well for this one. Of course, you also always, depending what you have downloaded, you see the total time it will do a slice like I have now. So it's of course not the optimal thing, but just without any other settings at this time, I just go download the G code for the current red, like I slice it now. And I can just download this on my PC, or if you are on the phone, you can just download it on your mobile phone or on your other device. Of course, now I'm now here at the computer, so it will be downloading there, and it's already downloaded. So it's not such a problem if you just do it like this without any computer ready.